Hey everyone, it's Tropics WX here with another update on the system. What will be Cottis? It has become a severe tropical storm with winds of 65 miles per hour. Yeah, with 65 miles per hour, it's expected to be a 70 mile per hour, or actually a 75 mile per hour typhoon. It will gradually weaken to about uh 65 miles per hour, which is severe, and it will strengthen back up to an 80 mile per hour typhoon more later probably on the 31st, so the last day of July. But let's get into this. Warning number 13 of the year. Current location 19.3 north, 114.7 east. Movement north at movement at 9.2 miles per hour. It currently has a max wind speeds of 65 miles per hour. Expected to be a typhoon twice, not once, but twice. Okay, yeah, sorry about that. This is warning number 13 of the year. So, let's head over to Zoom Earth, and then this video will be done with. Anyway. Oh, I'm sorry. It's supposed to be 85 mile per hour. So nearly there to that category 2 stage. Anyway, here we go. 65 mile per hour. Supposed to be a 987 millibar storm. It's a right now as we speak. It's at it's 75, 75, 70 for severe. So these are two typhoons. Severe tropical storm at 70, 65, 70, and then typhoon again at 80 to 85 miles per hour. So, that being said, this is Trevor Tropics signing out. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.